guys, welcome back to my first ever tutorial video. Today I'm going to teach you how to color the realistic eyes with pencil color I am using. So let me tell you why I have chosen Mr. Bean as a portrait that I'm going to color it, because his face is full of expression, and today I'm using white, brown, green, pale yellow, brown, light brown actually. If you are a new visitor, please subscribe my channel, because I'm going to make this type of bunch of videos to you, teaching how to color every part of the human face that are included in the portrait. So click on that subscribe button and don't forget to click on the bell icon. So I'm using brown color now around the eyeball at the darker part, below the eyeball, above the eyeball. Now I will color with the pale orange above the eyelids. The eyelids are a very important thing, and now I will add some pink color to it below the eyeball so that it looks more realistic. And then you could also use white color to blend these colors. Now I am using black on the eyeball. The every face you draw, the pupil must be black, because no light is reflected from this portion of the eye. Now I'm adding some brown to its side, to the side of pupil, besides pupil, and some green color, because my photograph contains green color. Now this the color of the iris depends on the. Now I'm using white to blend these colors. Overall, what you need is patience when you try to make anything realistic. So thank you for watching the video.